Alright, so welcome to a new series where I flip PCs until I buy whatever I want. So this can be custom builds with a labor fee, full builds that I sell for profit, or even just like fixing and upgrading for people. So the first goal will be a new 3D printer. My current one isn't like cutting it, so it's just giving me issues and slowing down my modeling process. I don't want that to be a barrier. And I've been looking around, and I think that the Bamboo Labs A1 is what I'm going to go with. It seems like it's easy to use and it just works, hopefully. So I'm starting off by replacing the guy's motherboard. He's paying me $200, which is crazy good. It's basically a full build profit, and I don't even have to build the whole PC. So let's do it.
You heard it? Minus 10 FPS.
Alright, so I replaced the motherboard and I went to turn it on, and I changed the RAM speed to 6000, which is what it was rated at. And then I had to enter the BitLocker key because I already set the FTPM or whatever. So I had him send me the code, and then I was able to reset it to make sure everything worked. And everything worked, so he came and it was raining, so I had to rush out to his car, but then he paid me $200. So it's $200 profit. He paid for the motherboard. So this is like more than a normal flip, so this is amazing.